I like to every year make a prediction around a big winner. This is kind of my stock pick, and then for the next month, a bunch of hedge fund managers call me and say, why did you pick this stock? The stock I picked that I thought would be the fifth horseman in 2017 is the following. The biggest winner in 2017 is Netflix. How did you know that Amazon was going to buy Whole Foods? And I'm going to let everybody here in on the secret of how I knew Amazon would make its largest acquisition in history. I spent a lot of time barking at Alexa to try and collect data, and this is literally a true story of how I knew Amazon was going to purchase Whole Foods. These are the most valuable companies 2006, a mix of petroleum, fossil fuels, financial services. Now the 5 most valuable companies are all big tech. And I want to be clear, I love these companies, I'm a customer of all of them. I've done exceptionally well owning their stocks. In 2008, I got run over by a truck economically, and 2 things saved my ass, Amazon and Apple stock. I think they're fantastic. They're clients of mine, and at least for another hour until they see this. But I love these companies, and I respect them. But however, I think after spending the majority of the last 2 years of my life really trying to understand them and the relationship with the ecosystem, I've become 100% convinced that it's time to break these companies up. Their markets are failing. The key to competitive markets is that no one company has too much power, and we have blown way by that. The most egregious example of our perversion of a society where we no longer worship at the altar of kindness and character, but of innovation and money, is the shit show called HQ2 going on with Amazon, where basically governments have decided to turn over their civic responsibilities and taxation authority to the Seattle giant. And what is the greatest collection of creativity, IQ, and capital been brought together? One collective mission. I've studied these companies. They've all been brought together not to create comity of man, not to solve world hunger. They've been brought together simply to sell another fucking Nissan. We should break them up because they avoid taxes.
We not only comply with the laws, but we comply with the spirit of the law.
Spirit of the law. The spirit of the law is not to issue your IP to a low-tax domain in Europe and then deflate taxes in high-tax domains and tax avoidance. That is not the spirit of U.S. tax law. However, all of us in this room try to avoid taxes. Again, it's our fault we don't elect officials that hold them accountable. Some predictions for 2018. The major stories of the year will be crypto, strange bedfellows, voice, and the breakup of tech. Amazon will pass Apple in value. Alexa emerges as the iPhone of the next decade. Amazon Media Group blows by every company except Facebook and Google. Cryptocurrencies crashed by over 50% in a month. I made these predictions a month ago. that looks like that one's right. So, breaking them up. Search your feelings. Search your feelings. I apologize, I'll be done in 1 minute here.
Search your feelings, you know it to be true.
I believe every answer to every business question can be found in a Star Wars film. So here are 2 ecosystems. Amazon, Apple, Facebook, and Google. This is one ecosystem. What if we broke these companies up into 11 companies, which would have a broader tax base, more jobs, more millionaires, maybe fewer billionaires, but more millionaires? We break these guys up because we are capitalists, and it is time.